Today we're taking a look at these NCAAB matches, which are happening on Tuesday, February 22, 2022, and giving you match breakdowns, betting tips and predictions in general on these games. Welcome back to High Stakes, let's get straight into it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get notified as soon as we release these sport prediction videos, and if you would like more betting tips and predictions, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Our new Patreon is a way for us to help you improve your chances of making more money. 5 plans are available for each and every one of you. You can get 30 extra betting picks all the way up to 500 extra betting picks per month. Stop wasting hours of your time searching for bad betting picks that ends up costing you a lot of money. Join the High Stakes Patreon now and get the best betting picks. Bowling Green vs Akron. Akron was able to get back in the win column Saturday night by beating Eastern Michigan 67-48. The win snapped their 3-game losing streak. Akron was led in scoring by Ali with 17 points. Ali logged 30 minutes coming off the bench. Enrique Freeman and Xavier Castaneda also chipped in 15 points apiece for the Zips. Akron never trailed the entire game. Castaneda made a 3-point shot 44 seconds into the game, and the rest is history. Akron led 39-24 at the half. Our total pick for this game is under 147. And here is why. On the defensive side of the ball is where Akron has won all their close games. According to KenPom, they have the 178th most efficient defense in the country. They don't do anything special, but they covered their spots and try to contest each shot that is put up. They are allowing opposing teams to score an average of 62.3 ppg, which is the 28th lowest total given up in all of college basketball. The Zips are only allowing the other team to shoot 41.9% from the floor. This is a very low percentage and will make it very tough for the other team to hang with Akron if they aren't consistently scoring. Akron doesn't force many turnovers, but they don't gamble either. They keep their man in front of them and play solid defense. Watch for them to collapse around the shooters in the paint, contesting each close shot. They are averaging 3.4 blocks per game and would like to increase this number. On the defensive end of the floor, they have not been good this year. This is where they are killing themselves in these games. According to KenPom, the Falcons have the 328th least efficient defense in college basketball. They are giving up an average of 80.1 ppg and letting the other team make around 44.4% of their shots. Even if they are scoring every other time up the court, it doesn't matter when the other team is making it rain from all over the floor. They are also averaging 7.8 steals per game. They will need as many of these as they can to win this game. Turning steals into easy transition points will allow for them to not rely on their offense as much. Watch for them to give up a lot of open shots. The Falcons are only averaging 3.3 blocks per game. They will need to apply more pressure and contest more shots if they want to increase that average. Disclaimer, no financial advice. The information on this channel is provided for education and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information contained in or provided from or through this channel is not intended to be and does not constitute financial advice, investment advice, trading advice, or any other advice. The information on this channel and provided from or through this channel is general in nature and is not specific to you, the user, or anyone else. You should not make any decision, financial, investment, trading, or otherwise, based on any of the information presented on this channel without undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or financial advisory.